Machida namaGrootman, Orlando Pirates, iSoweto Giants zihlanganisa i-deals ezi-2 zosayina i-players ezi-2 from Stellenbosch, i-double signing from Stellenbosch FC. I-big clubs ezine-big plans, ezine-big dreams ziqala uplana ngoku uMarch ngoku, season yaphela ngoMay, season entsha iqale ngo-August. Awunoqala ngoMay okanye ngoJune uhlanganisa i-contracts. I-planning yiyo, i-early planning yiyo ekuse inceda i-team zibe ne-success ke-transfer window. Awunoqala late. Orlando Pirates uva kwami le win ewu-2 kuba Orlando Pirates ifuna central defenders ezi-2. Orlando Pirates i-grand central defenders, ayidingi central defenders Orlando Pirates. Mara kuseni yajonga grand Orlando Pirates squad sayo. Yabona manje Orlando Pirates ayikho grand central defense. Zikhona central defenders ezi-grand ezidlala ngo-Orlando Pirates, but in terms of the squad depth ne match schedule xa udlala i-DSM Premiership, I mean i-Betway Premiership, udlala ne-cup ezi-3, MTN 8, Nedbank Cup, phinde sewudlala i-Africa Champions League. Pirates ayinayo central defenders ezi-enough. And then ibhola jo i-clubs zalapha South Africa nase-Africa ziyazijonga i-teams overseas bayisejonga zi-operator kanjani. Ngoba ithetha lo way manje sizayenza lo way, especially if ngumntu usebenza ki-management naki-recruitment ye-players. Xa ujonga Orkandi kuse i-club ezininzi ezi-top phana uyajonga central defenders kule team zingaphi. I-Real Madrid kuse central defender ezi-5 jo. Militao, Rudiger, Alaba, Asensio, Novaletro. Real Madrid 5 central defenders. Liverpool central defenders ezi-4 yona. And then say enye central midfielders zayo ngoku bikadlala central defense because kuse lapho ayonelanga for Liverpool. Badlala say central midfielder ngoku biyadlala central defender, which is ngu-Endo lo. Otherwise i-4 central defenders Liverpool: Konate, Van Dijk, Kwanzaa no Gomez. If you accept Paris central defenders z-5 ba. Wena ke Man City z-5. Ulawe Akanji, uStones, uAke, uRice nalati Gofi Kosanov. And then say uze local ke ngo say top team lapha. Sundowns say yaba standard mosibafethu. Ba okay kusejonga if say ufuna ba top, ufuna se win i-league title, ufuna compete Africa. Funeka kube level in terms of the squad sakho ne-depth and the competition. You compete ngehlobo ke-market. Sundowns kusene central defenders ezi-6. Eqedha ne-Real Madrid ne-Man City. Orlando Pirates kanijonga yona ndabona okay 10 ifuna central defenders ezi-2. Pirates ngosithethayo zi-3 central defenders Orlando Pirates. Ngoba kutheni uNdaya kuse out for injury. Ngoba 8 months uyaqaba isizini injury. And out for isikhathi singakho uthatha isikhathi for bakusemophini ubuye top level. Ezinye players seyazirecover sino-recoverisha ku-injury. Usesane nawe ubuthola injury ngomthi twice kusejonga izaba yi-4 to 6 months lo way. Orlando Pirates ne-central defenders ezi-3 ezishekileyo. And I like Ntswembu uMbokazi ngoku naye mthi siqobo ofika ngosekuzophuma usesane. Orlando Pirates inombokazi benoxoki noSibisi. Manye Machida are injured. Umayela une-uncertain future umchida. Orlando Pirates twice uyavaya for next season. So asimbali Umayela. Engathi so uyavaya sekacha season. But say akho good enough umchida. Orlando Pirates ke ngosayibona makuthi 10 ifuna central defenders ezi-2 from Stellenbosch FC. So ngena apho kuseba sengobani aba kusejjonga sikhiphane ngabo 10 Orlando Pirates ibona bayisejjonga zi-players ezi-grand for my sign for next season. Orlando Pirates futhi remember in a connection ne-grand Stellenbosch in terms of business ne-transfers ne-deals. Orlando Pirates before sign uDino van Rooyen ibisayine i-analyst esuka Stellenbosch FC jo. Kale yaba nguDevin O'Brien kuse umchida wasuka iStellenbosch Orlando Pirates ngoba wavaya. Orlando Pirates ekuvaya O'Brien ya replace ngenye out analyst, performance analyst from Stellenbosch olabe Ruan Roost. Business Orlando Pirates neStellenbosch say easy ngokusebe nayo i-business rapport. Chiwo kuse English try i-business rapport jo. And isela machita ayayazi kuse i-place Stellenbosch basijonga ngobani iStellenbosch i-top quality players ban and ezingafika Orlando Pirates zenza i-difference. Orlando Pirates kusejonga idinga amajita so from Stellenbosch eza out futhi kusays sifana ngedata mos ngoku i-scouting nesine-recruitment yangoku i-data driven wes out isuka Stellenbosch. Amajita yathi basijonga nansi data kabani sana la majita. So Orlando Pirates andothusi mina bakhe jonga ifuna amajita eStellenbosch. So ngena apho bafika ngalibalise support i-channel bafika nje ushaya ngo-like. If kuseso ufika lapha siqhele channel kanye if uqala udibana ne-channel ushaya subscribe phezantsi khona indawo emhlophe ebhale subscribe ngokuchopha pha awuthola videos. Orlando Pirates ifuna central defenders 2 from Stellenbosch FC and Lomachita Omaitu won close to 100 games in PSL. Experience i-grand. Akho need for bakusejonga umntu usuka kwenye i-league kwenye i-country uzofika apha i-touch and go bayisela out izofika isettlishe apha, new language, new environment, masiqalise inike isikhathi isettlishe Machita alapha kwi-Stellenbosch and ana close to 100 games in PSL. So umntu uzofika kite futhi Dogs angene ebaleni eyazi Betway Premiership akho way and say advantage leyo xa usana i-player. Number 1 target Orlando Pirates Thabo Moloisane, top defender umjita wase elaway se-Pretoria eTshwane. Umjita ukhuleka i-Sundowns wasuka Sundowns waya ilaway NFD asekhumbula udlala team NFD mara suka pha waya Maritzburg United. Umjita pha Maritzburg United wadlala 29 matches umjita. Top flight Betway Premiership. Umjita kusewaya Stellenbosch ufika by regular pha. Umjita sena 26 le out jo. Idlale 69 games kwi-Stellenbosch. So leyo no 89 games kanye 98 efana ngathi kusemthi na 100 games. Kuba na 100 games ngoku this week kanye next week i-Betway Premiership. Udlala Orlando Pirates futhi amajita Tuesday. So Thabo Molosane contract yakhe futhi enyewe Pirates bayisefuna lo mjita eyabe bayisejonga i-price yakhe ayizoba high because kuse umjita contract yakhe ne-Stellenbosch iyaphela ngoJune, but ke Stellenbosch sine 1 year option pa, and obviously if yafuna bazo exercise la 1 year option and then say umjita if ayizoba ngako kodwa xa usheke kuse 1 year ayifani senothenga iplayer kuse ne 2 year contract kanye 3 year contract isiba affordable and kuse most team up PSL zenza lo way bakhe Sundowns ukuthenga onye noma une 3 year contract. Team esifana ne-Pirates kuse Pirates fanele ithenga iplayer if kushekele 1 year contract yakhe and then kuse negotiate deal and Pirates seyikwazi ukuthinta ne-Stellenbosch bayakwazi kuse uthethe language evanayo. Dine van Rooyen seyipha Orlando Pirates iweza ngokusanda kwenzeka lo way. So ya Thabo Molosane and kuse Thabo une experience ngokudlala Africa umjita udlala i-CAF Confederation Cup. Stellenbosch udlala i-quarter final ngokweziveki zizayo. So it make high sense lo bayisejonga ifuna uThabo Molosane umjita futhi kuse Kaizer Chiefs thoyimjongile futhi uThabo Molosane, so i-competition zaba khona pha. Second target kuse ifuna Orlando Pirates Stellenbosch naye umjita consistency yafana noThabo Molosane. Olivier Toure wase Togo kana nomjita Ivory Coast ikila weki kuse country enjaza amathambo. Naye semjita njengomolosane consistent umjita performer week in week out and sezinqabile defenders nzalo yapha kwi-Betway Premiership season iphele okuperforma le out Olivier Toure jo sena 26 umjita. NjengoThabo amajita kuse akipick i-career zabo ngoku bahleli kwi-Stellenbosch noma bafika iphone ngoba siyajonga umuntu ehala environment entsha ngokusela lapha kwi-Stellenbosch and kuse 26 benchilo kule video izolo bakuse i-players i-pick i-career 26 27 28 ngezikhathi udlala i-best football yakho ngezazibini so uyi-mature footballer ucomplete awusadevelophi ngoku bona uqhele yonke iway uqhele kuse u-interact ne-teammates zakho uqhele utravelisha uqhele i-training une-character une-confidence xa une-26 27 awusafundi nix ngebhola ngoku ugrand ucomplete. Therefore kuse amajita ku-26 27 28 ka age asana i-best deals ne-best contracts zabo because kuse umuntu kwi-pick career yakhe. Best salary, best signing on fee ngezazibini and kuse yakwazi usayina ama 4 year deal phana because kuse noni after la 26 27 28 akho guarantee base career yakho izoba njani. So ngoku maximize icareer yakho ngoba best football yakho so kusefuna best contract yakho and say lo way awuzifuna Stellenbosch ifana iwe iplay efana Orlando Pirates. uToure usheke unyaka oyi1 contract yakhe phela ngo2026 ngoJune. So again I say yatholakala in terms of the transfer fee. Orlando Pirates ngakwakuhlanganisa iwe okanye Orlando Pirates kuse offer ne players Stellenbosch. Orlando Pirates yakwazi uyenza lo way. Stellenbosch futhi willing for say uthola players so kuma Orlando Pirates kuma Sundowns. Igqobo kwenza deal ngoku say Stellenbosch. Ibihambise le out uriding uJaden Adams then say lesibanku waqonda Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch clever na yazithola okay say Pirates thina seyazi ba okay sayithola phi mani sikudala phofu Stellenbosch plan ahead Stellenbosch that's why successful kangaka ikwazi to replace amajita. Stellenbosch like say plan ahead iyazithola ngala way ba okay uToure yachisa umjita plus noMolosane is out zawufuna it's out and ijambile izokwenzeka lo way. So into thina ngisemahlanganise i-replacements. Stellenbosch futhi yazi ba kusejonga ine academy eGrand and say produce players and amajita sekudala wa developer ba if as a promoter izosign 1 or 2 central defenders mos sekudala say ilanuza i-developer ulanuza bani anelitsotsi ikhaba nge-left central defender phakathi ke-Stellenbosch Liam de Kock phinde bekhona nitsotsi entwembu fist quick layer central defender examine height and examine physical strength and quick njengoToure ngulawe nguSishi libele say first name yakhe mjida ngubani Sishi naye semajida sempek bas Stellenbosch thwa sifuna usiviwe nkwali so Cape Town Spurs naye seyuntswempu umjida. So amajita angakesha in ngamajita kesha in ngoMolosane kesha in ngoToure kuba ise a replace namajita okanye negotiate nePirates bahamba nise ningaza nayo Innocent Mayela mjita samlungisa beGrand ulawe Mayela and mhlawumbe ngaphefuma Grand nayo mjita nayo Mayela kuseyibona Stellenbosch itime Grand mos and kuse angafuna nje change for environment mjita ba okay ama makayo athi ngapha Stellenbosch Western Cape yafestane. So ise ezi deals enebona isenzeka ezi deals if not uToure cha Molosane cha zoyi2 kanye se-A1 yazo Pirates ingabathola la majita. NoToure kusenayo experience eBhayi umjita ngiGalants uqala iGalants and kusekuthiwa ifuna iPirates ngeza zikhathi neChiefs manje kuseyaso iGalants wayeStellenbosch umjita kusewadlala 29 games kila weGalants. Stellenbosch ngoku beyiregular umjita udlala 64 games that's close to 100 PSL games umjita. Ready made naye sengulawe kusenguplug and play. So nephi na team ezamthola kuseUToure izothola kuse iplay eGrand Molosane futhi uthola top signings naye kuseUToure udlala iConfederation Cup this season. So amajita awazi bakhona eStellenbosch next season. Stellenbosch afuneka isipane nyani bakuzogcinela amajita. So yeah zizwe namhlanje bafethu Orlando Pirates ifuna i-central defenders i2 eStellenbosch FC. If uqala bana channel bafethu ungalahla ngiphosa uzwe iGrand qofa subscribe apha ezantsi okanye usupport i-channel if ngolapha nje ushaye ulike bafethu. Olivier Toure no Thabo Molosane bafuna Orlando Pirates sizobona ngothi bafethu.